Hey everybody, my name is Niku and welcome to the Trading Setup channel. Have you ever noticed that the moment that you open a trade, the market seems to wait for it just to turn around? Everybody who's ever traded knows this feeling, as if the market is personally watching you. You see a good setup, the trend is growing, everything looks good, and you enter with confidence, and at that exact moment, the chart turns the other way. It feels like somebody is deliberately trading against you. The thing is, the market really does go against the majority, and it's not a conspiracy or a coincidence, but it's a pattern that you can use to build a stable strategy around. In this video, I'm going to show you guys why the majority is always late and how you can turn this around and use it to your advantage calmly and systematically. Before we start, I want you to have access to a resource that I've created specifically for traders who want to grow. There, I've collected setups and real trade examples, mine and my students. You can check for yourself how systematic approaches work in practice. There are also management manuals, including calculations based on martingale systems, so that you can preserve your deposit even on a losing streak. All the material is completely free, but I do update it regularly, adding new content and bonuses, and the old ones disappear. So I recommend you check it out as soon as possible. The link is in the description below this video. Now, let me explain to you why the majority of people gets left behind. The crowd is always late, and the market doesn't exist to reward everyone. It is a reflection of a collective psychology. Most traders make decisions based on what has already happened. They see price rising and think, it's clear this is where I should enter, but by then the market is already preparing to reverse. And while the crowd is chasing the move, the smart money is already making their exit. It's like a wave. If you jump too late, it's going to crash over you. Big players know exactly where the crowd's orders are placed. They see where retail traders place their stops and enter late. And that's where the market makes quick, sharp moves, knocking everyone out of their positions. That's how false breakouts, pullbacks, and sharp reversals are formed. It's on these moves that most people lose, and a small minority gets the entry points. The main cause for mistakes is the desire to be right, not effective. When price is rising, people fear missing the move. They enter without analysis because everyone else is buying. When price then starts to fall, the crowd close their orders en masse. The market feeds on these emotions. Every emotional spike is fuel for movement. When most people are buying, price stops rising because there's no big buyers left. When everybody is selling, price stops falling because big capital has already made their exit. So the market really does move against the majority. Not on purpose, but because the crowd itself creates a vacuum in the opposite direction. So how can we use this to our advantage? Well, to do so, you need to stop being part of the crowd. Sounds simple enough, but in reality, it's deep self-work. Step 1. Analyze where the majority goes wrong. Look at the chart for sharp spikes up or down. This is usually the zones where the crowd entered emotionally and big players are closing out. Learn to spot where price shakes everybody out. That's the best indicator. Step 2. Use counter trend zones. When the RSI goes beyond 70 or falls below 30, it's the first signal that the crowd is overheated. Don't rush to enter immediately. Wait for confirmation. When the market does a false breakout and pulls back, that's where you know the big money is already flipping their positions. Step 3. Think like a professional. Don't ask where will the market go. Instead, ask where the majority have already entered. You don't need to predict. You need to find where the crowd is most vulnerable. It's exactly at those spots where you will find the most reliable entries. If you want to see how this works in real time, I invite you to join our private trading community on Telegram. We hold daily trading sessions, breaking down real market situations, analyzing price movements, testing strategies, and discuss entry and exit psychology. It's not just a chat, it's a place where members grow and learn to think like a professional. To join, message me directly. I handpick everybody to maintain quality and focus in the group. At some point, I intend to close the door and make it a private traders club where members can share experience, strategies, and results. And if you believe in analyzing instead of guessing, if you want to learn to work with the market instead of fighting it, make sure you hit that subscribe and notification button so you get notified when I do more videos. Lots more videos coming on psychology, strategies, and more. I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, may the pips be with you.